Hello. In this video, I will show you how to create a book index using artificial intelligence through the PDF Index Generator program. We will use the subjects mode of the AI feature to do that. In this mode, you specify what types of terms the AI should look for in your book. Instead of indexing everything, you tell the AI to focus on specific fields or subjects of information. The AI will read the book, understand its content, and extract the most relevant index terms related to your specified subjects, all in just a couple of minutes. We are now in step 1 of the program. We will index a book titled The Life of James Clerk Maxwell. It is a historical biography that documents the life and scientific work of a famous physicist. This book has 354 pages, as you can see here in Adobe Reader. At the footer of each of the first 12 pages, we have Roman numerals. The remaining pages are numbered from 1 to 342. Page number 1 falls on page 13, which is where part 1 of the book begins, and that is where we will start indexing. It is very important to define the correct page numbers inside PDF Index Generator, matching exactly what appears in the footer of the book. We also do not need to index the first 12 Roman numeral pages, so we must tell PDF Index Generator to exclude them. We will see how to do that in a moment. Let's move to the program. Drag and drop the PDF file into the text field here. Click the Advanced Page Numbers link. You can see that the page numbers currently defined here run from 1 to 354. Let's fix this. Type the first 12 Roman numerals before page number 1. Then go to the end of the list and delete the last 12 entries from 343 to the end. We have now defined the correct page numbers for our book. Click Save. To exclude the first 12 pages from the index, we will enable the Index Specific Pages option. Click the Exclude Pages link. Select the range of Roman numerals from page I to page XII. Add them to the table. Then click OK. The program will now ignore the first 12 Roman numeral pages and index only pages numbered 1 to 342. We are now ready to move to step 2. Click Next. In step 2, we have the classic mode for indexing books, and we also have the AI mode, which we will use now to build our book index. Enable the index book using AI option. There are many options available to configure and control what the AI server can and cannot do while generating the index. All AI options can be configured from this link, Subjects and Categories. This window shows that there are 3 AI modes available for indexing a book using artificial intelligence: the automatic mode, the subjects mode, and the categories mode. In this video, we will explain and use the second mode, the subjects mode. Enable the Subjects Mode option. The program comes with a set of predefined subjects that you can use right away. You can enable one or more items from the list. Since we are indexing a historical biography, a names index is a natural fit, so we will enable the person names subject. As shown in the tooltip, this instructs the AI to extract full names of individuals, historical figures, authors, and fictional characters. That is exactly what we need for our names index. There is one more important option related specifically to indexed person names that I would like to show you. Click the AI Indexing Settings link to access additional AI options. This opens the program settings and displays all options related to AI indexing. Here we have the option, Let AI Reverse Person Names. This is a very useful feature. If the AI finds the name Barack Obama in the book, it will list it as Obama, Barack in the index results. This alone can save you a significant amount of manual work. This option is enabled by default, so we will close this window and click OK to save our subject selection. Then click the Generate Index button. A progress bar will appear, showing what the program is doing in the background. It starts by calculating the range of pages to index. It verifies that the PDF file is valid. It reads your AI settings. It checks your internet connection. And it calculates the number of AI credits required to complete the task. It is important to understand that this AI feature uses a credit system. We call them AI credits. These credits cover the cost of the AI engine that does the work. The good news is that we provide free AI credits to get you started, and they are more than enough to index your book. I will not go into all the details here, but I will leave links in the video description that explain everything about the credit system. As you can see on the progress bar, the program is now checking your credit balance to make sure you have enough to continue. It then displays a confirmation message showing 3 things: how many credits this task will cost, how many credits you will have remaining after the task is complete, and how long the task will take. You can cancel now at no cost or proceed if everything looks good. I will click yes to continue. The program and the AI will now get to work. They will read the book, upload it to the AI engine, and build the index based on the subject we specified. The AI can work with books in any language: English, French, Italian, German, and even Chinese or Arabic. It handles them all without any issues. I will fast forward the video to show you what happens when the process is complete. Welcome back. The AI has finished its work. When the process completes, you will see a success message showing how many terms were indexed and the actual time it took. Let's review the results. Click Done to go to step 3. Here are the AI-generated index terms. As you can see, it has collected a solid number of person names. Take your time to review them and make any adjustments you see fit. At first glance, you will notice that the AI collected only person names as instructed, reversed all person names, listed all page numbers for every person name, and labeled every term with the comment, "word added through AI." My advice is to always review the AI's work carefully before moving on. Now let's see how the final index will look. Click Next to go to step 4. Choose where to save your new PDF file. Click Start Writing. Done. Let's open it. And there it is, a clean, professional-looking names index, generated in just minutes. What you see here would have taken days to produce manually. Finding every name, reversing it, and tracking down every page reference. The subject's AI feature handles all of that for you, without sacrificing quality or accuracy. That's the end of this tutorial. Thanks for watching.